Hello everyone and welcome to a new video, and today I'm going to show you how to show what you're listening to on Spotify on Discord. It's very easy and simple. All you have to do is to follow my steps, and before we begin, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe and turn on the notifications. Now first thing you should do is to open your Discord, then go to user settings and go to connections. After going to connections, all you have to do is to click on Spotify right here. Then you should connect Spotify on your browser to Discord. And in order to connect Spotify with Discord, you should log in with your Spotify account on this website. But as you can see here, I'm connected because I have already logged in. So what I'm going to do right now is to go back to my Discord. Then as you can see here, you have this icon right here, display on profile. You should check it right here. Then go back. And now when I play this sound right here, then go to Discord. As you can see, when I click on it, it will show to me or to anyone that I'm listening to this sound right here, and it will also show them the minute that I am listening to. And that's all for today. I hope this video is useful to you all. Thanks for watching and see you in a new video.